Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram not opening. To know how to fix Instagram not opening, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram. When you will see this page, you will click for stop. Sorry for that mistake. You will click for stop. When you will end this here, for stop, you will go to storage. After that, in this page, you will click here clear cache, and then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.